Greetings to all. Today we will discuss about resultant force. In real life situations, more than one force acts on an object. All these forces collectively produce the same effect on the object as if a single force is acting on the object. Such a single force is called the resultant force. Let us understand this concept by considering the following situations. First, when two forces act along the same line in the same direction. For example, let us consider a box is pushed by you with a force of 100 Newton. You could move it but very slowly. Now, your friend offered his help. He applied a force of 200 Newton in the same direction. Can you both together push it more easily? Yes. Why? This is because when two forces act on an object in the same direction, the resultant force is calculated by adding the forces. It means resultant force equals to F1 plus F2, that is equals to 100 Newton plus 200 Newton equals to 300 Newton. As a result, the object moves in the direction of the force. Second situation, when two forces are applied on an object in opposite directions, they oppose each other. For example, the box is pushed by you with a force of 200 Newton and your friend starts pushing the box with a force of 100 Newton in the opposite direction. Does the box move? Yes, but slowly. This is because when two unequal forces act in opposite directions on an object, the resultant force is found to be difference between the two forces. It means resultant force equals to F1, that is greater force, minus F2, smaller force, that is equals to 200 Newton minus 100 Newton equals to 100 Newton. As a result, the resultant force is smaller and the box will move slowly in the direction of the force applied by you. Third situation. Now, you and your friend are pushing the box in the opposite direction but with an equal force, that is 100 Newton each. The resultant force is equal to F1 minus F2, that is equals to 100 Newton minus 100 Newton equals to 0 Newton. So, we can conclude that when two equal forces act on an object in the opposite directions, the resultant force becomes 0 and the object does not move. Such type of forces are said to be balanced forces.